Good morning, everyone. 11th standard. Today again, move one inorganic section is here. Okay, so we will perform inorganic practical here. Name ammonium chloride NH4Cl. Okay, now in NH4Cl, first we will discuss about negative and then positive ion. So here is to find anion and cation in given salt or solution. Clear? In then physical test. So color, white color powder. Here is ammonium chloride. White color powder is here, ammonium chloride. Okay, ammonium chloride white color powder is here. So we will perform with ammonium chloride now. Order ammonic smell. Okay, its smell is ammonic smell in yes, in NH4Cl. NH4 plus it may be present here. Order now identification of anion. Clear? Very clear. In identification of anion, you have to perform dry heating test, then OS plus dilute sulfuric acid test, then KMnO4 test, concentrated sulfuric acid test, or sulfate phosphate test in negative ion. But in all of here KMnO4 test. KMnO4 test is presence here. A pink color disappear. Okay, pink color disappear. So chloride, bromide, iodide. Again halogen group will present here. Chloride, bromide, or iodide. Now KMnO4 test is very important in this negative ion. Then you have to perform conformation test of Cl minus. Okay, so here you have to perform again chromyl chloride test for Cl minus. In chromyl chloride test you have to perform with K2Cr2O7, OS plus K2Cr2O7, then concentrated sulfuric acid, then NaOH, then dilute acetic acid, and finally lead acetate. So you will get a yellow PPTs for Cl minus. Okay, conformation test for Cl minus. So here is your negative ion. Now in positive ion, you can see here zero group is present. First zero group is present. So OS plus when you heat with dilute NaOH. Okay, OS plus dilute NaOH. So smell of ammonia gas. Very important. Smell of ammonia gas represent your NH4 plus ion. Okay, very important. Ammonia zero group is present. Listen to me carefully. Identification of cation. Zero group is present. OH plus dilute NaOH. So your ammonia smell is present in zero group. So you have to catch ammonical smell. Okay. So NH4 plus is present in your zero group as a positive ion. Okay. Now finally conformation for NH4 plus. So very important Naesler's reagent. How to prepare Naesler's reagent? So here is your procedure. OS plus Naesler's reagent, reddish brown PPT is obtained. So your NH4 plus is present in conformation test of NH4 plus. Now in Naesler's reagent, you have to take 4 drops HgCl2 plus. You have to add Ki. Okay, then orange PPT is obtained. Then add more Ki till PPTs will dissolve. Okay. Then finally add double volume of NaOH. So this is your Naesler's reagent. So when you add Naesler's reagent in OS, so you will get a reddish brown PPTs. Okay. Reddish brown PPT is obtained. That's why your NH4 plus is present. Your conformation test for NH4 plus. Okay. Then finally positive ion NH4 plus and negative ion Cl minus. It means your solution or chemical is ammonium chloride. Okay. So here is your whole practical. Now we will perform our practical. Okay. Now we will perform here negative ion. So first here is your solution of NH4Cl. Okay. NH4Cl. Now we will perform here KMnO4 test. Okay, so in first identification of anion, so we will directly perform KMnO4 test. Okay, so here is your KMnO4 test. Here is your NH4Cl solution. Okay, with distilled water. Now I am taking OS, original solution OS. Okay, then I will add dilute sulfuric acid. Here is your dilute sulfuric acid. Okay, so I will add here dilute sulfuric acid here. Okay, then add one drop KMnO4. So here is 1 drop KMnO4. Okay, so here is your pink color. Now I will heat my solution, so pink color will remove here. So your KMnO4 test is present. Okay, here specially pink color disappear. So here is your pink color. Now I will heat my solution. You have to take care, okay, when you heat your solution. Okay, color is gone now. Okay, pink color disappear. That's why your halogen group is present. Pink color is totally disappear. Okay, that's why your KMnO4 test is present. Okay, now we will perform here. Here is KMnO4 test is present. Pink color removed. That's why your halogen group is present. Chloride, bromide or iodide, it may be possible as a negative ion. Okay, now here Cl minus is present. You have to perform conformation test with K2Cr2O7 plus in chromyl chloride test. Okay, concentrated sulfuric acid, NaOH, dilute acetic acid and lead acetate. So your yellow color will obtain or yellow PPTs. Yellow PPTs will obtain here. So your conformation test for Cl minus. Okay. Now listen. Here is your empty test tube. I will take first OS. Okay, OS, original solution is here. So I will take my original solution plus here is your potassium dichromate. So here is potassium dichromate is here. Okay, potassium dichromate. Okay, then concentrated sulfuric acid. So here is your concentrated sulfuric acid. I am adding here concentrated sulfuric acid. Okay, here concentrated sulfuric acid. Then I will add NaOH. So here is your NaOH. I will add NaOH. Okay, NaOH. Then I will heat my solution lightly here. Okay. Then I will add dilute acetic acid. So here is acetic acid. Okay, acetic acid. So I will add acetic acid. Clear, acetic acid. And finally I will add lead acetate. So here is your lead acetate solution, lead acetate. I will add lead acetate. So you can easily see yellow PPTs here. Okay, your PPTs is yellow. That's why your chromyl chloride test is present here. Okay, Cl minus. Okay, yellow PPTs is here. You can see here. Okay, yellow PPTs is obtained. That's why your Cl minus is present. Okay, you can see yellow PPTs easily. Yellow PPTs. Okay, that's why your Cl minus is present. Your chromyl chloride test is present here. Okay, in conformation test. Clear? Okay. Now we will perform positive ion. Now for positive ion or cation, we will perform now cation. Okay, so in cation your zero group, first zero group is present here, OH plus dilute NaOH. So here is not any kind of PPT is obtained, but you have to feel smell. Okay, ammonical smell or ammonia gas smell here. So here is your original solution first. Okay, so we will take original solution or salt. Okay, now we will heat our solution with adding dilute NaOH. So look here, here is your NaOH. Okay, add your NaOH in original solution. Clear? Original solution plus NaOH. Then you have to heat your solution. Now listen, you have to heat your solution. Okay. So heat your solution here. Then you will get ammonical or ammonia gas smell here. Okay. In zero group. So first heat your solution and smell and feel it. So ammonical smell is here. Now you have to smell it. So here pure ammonical smell is present here. Okay, ammonia gas smell. You can easily see here smell of ammonia gas. Okay, so you have to feel ammonia gas smell here by heating with OH plus dilute NaOH. Okay, so here is easily you can see ammonia gas smell. Okay, so your NH4 plus is present. Okay. Okay, now listen. So here zero group is present as a positive ion cation NH4 plus. Now conformation test for NH4 plus. Now you have to first perform a Nistler's reagent. How to make Nistler's reagent? So we will prepare here Nistler's reagent first. So here is 2 bottle HgCl2 and Ki. Okay. So first I will take 4-5 drops of HgCl2. Here, everyone observe it carefully. Look here. So here is your HgCl2. Okay. Then you have to add 1 drop Ki. So your solution, your orange PPT is obtained here. Okay. Now you have to add Ki till PPTs will dissolve. Add and stir. Adding, okay, and stirring. So your orange PPTs will gone. Okay. Orange PPTs will go here. Disappear here. Okay, orange PPTs. Now you have to add double volume of NaOH. So look here. Here is your double volume NaOH. PPTs will go here. Okay. Then add double volume NaOH solution. Clear? So this is your Nistler's reagent. This is your Naesler's reagent solution. Okay. Now you have to add Naesler's reagent solution in OS. Okay. So look here, our OS solution. I will add OS. Okay, so reddish brown PPD is obtained here. Okay, OS plus Naesler's reagent reddish brown PPD is obtained here. So your NH4 plus is present. Clear? So your reddish brown PPD is here. You can see easily unknown or OS solution plus Naesler's reagent. So reddish brown PPD is obtained here. Okay. So your NH4 plus is present with OS plus Naesler's reagent. Confirmation test. Okay. So here is your whole practical. Okay, you have to first perform identification of anion KMnO4 test, then perform chromyl chloride test for confirmation of Cl minus. Then here zero group NH4 plus. Okay, then confirmation of NH4 plus with Naesler's reagent OS. So your reddish brown PPD is obtained. NH4Cl ammonium chloride is present. Clear? So here is your whole practical. Okay, thank you.